Hey everyone, it's Nick. April Fool's Day. We're not actually offering drone delivery of meat. Many of you guessed it, but we wanted to make it clear. Unfortunately, it's just not practical at this time. We did actually deliver meat by drone, that is true. Thank you to the genius of Jason and Amanda at Trail Genius for helping us figure out how to load a little bit more than 1 pound of meat onto a drone, fly it out the door, and then drop the meat to deliver it. We hope you had fun watching our video, and who knows, maybe one day drones will be able to carry enough meat to make drone delivery a real thing. We'd like to thank our helpers, Chef Nelly and Lindsey at Grand Geneva Resort and Spa. Really appreciate their help. We also need to thank Seth, Rick, and the entire ground crew at Lake Geneva Canopy Tours. They did an amazing job. Then my sister for donating some grill space, and then the LGCM staff for helping during the filming. Thank you, everybody. If you signed up for drone updates on our website at lgmeats.com/drone, you'll find something special in your inbox soon. If you haven't signed up yet, you still have time. Go ahead and sign up if you want that little special treat. Thank you all so much for watching and playing along, and we'll see you soon at Lake Geneva Country Meats.